Alright guys, we're doing some VLM, we're doing a pet treatment. This room's not so bad, there's a few. But throughout here, the previous tenants had pets and they did do this thing. Right all through here. In the living room, Brenda's vacuum. The customer already vacuumed a whole bunch of times, but vacuum wasn't so great, so we're actually doing another vacuum. So just because the customer's vacuum doesn't mean you should not. You just kind of see what type of vacuum they're using. Yeah, so we're going to do a pet treatment. We're going to do Green Rhino cocktails, guys. And if you know the Cigaricide eucalyptus that I use in Green Rhino cocktail, it's kind of a little strong. So I did a mix of some ClO2 stuff that has no odor and a little bit of the Cigaricide eucalyptus. And, you know, the stain stuff, the peroxide, to go ahead and get rid of all the stains and stuff. So we're using carpet details inside that. So VLM is gonna be great. So stay tuned. Right in here, I guess they had like a place where the dog sleeps, or a kennel or something right here. So yeah, definitely gonna get that good. See those spots? I already went through with my light, detected everything. So came to the conclusion, I'm not just gonna go tracking down each and every little spot. We're just doing every square inch, you know. That way we're not missing anything. So we don't want to clean this and have some missing spots and have some odor come up from the stains that you don't see, or the areas you don't see nothing. A lot of times there'll be stuff there that right on the top you may not need to see a stain, but urine's there. So after you clean, you could have complaints about odor. Reactivating that odor, that urine. Right around here is definitely a lot. Okay. Yeah, I've been having this long cord on here recently. I mean, it's pretty good, but sometimes it gets annoying. Sometimes it's a hassle. Got a little color here. I might have to pull out the steamer. Pretty sure this battery's running low. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so whenever we do all over pet treatment, we agitate everywhere. Awesome. So not just the heavy traffic areas like normal carpet cleaning. Since we treat it everywhere and we don't know exactly where everything is, you know, that urine, we just do that. So she follows me up. It's kind of like alternating, right? So once I get done, once I follow her up while she's vacuuming with a pre-spray, she follows me with that, and I follow her with this. And that's how you get quick cleaning times if you have a helper. So far, so good. We'll go through there and rake it all up when we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the microfiber right here in this area, where heavily traffic area, and then we'll go back over, go with that pad right there, do the rest. So the agitation really helps, and this is just going to be double agitation, because this microfiber's got little scrubbing strips on it, and a lot of time, a lot of situations, you can just use the microfiber standalone, you know, for commercial stuff. I do that a lot. All right. The area is actually looking really good. I did let the customer know that there might still be a transition there, because this is polyester and that happens, but I think it's going to be a nice blend there, because yeah, great. So guys, people want to know, can you do the Green Rhino cocktail with VLM? Absolutely. And proof is in the pudding, right? Looks great. You don't see any more stains. It smells good. So the Green Rhino cocktail is your pre-spray boosted with your odor removal product, which there's a few that I recommend. You know, everybody knows I love cigarette side eucalyptus, but the recommended dilution ratio could be kind of strong. So something with no scent will help, like CLO2. So that's what I did in this one. And then your stain removal peroxide, Go Oxy is what I use. Diluted it at about 8 ounces per gallon. And you're gonna knock out any stain, and it's gonna take care of everything, right? And the great thing about the carpet detail is that everything else encapsulates, because that stuff works great on urine. So after carpets are dry, they vacuum, it'll be even cleaner and smell even better. So this is a vibe. Love it. You can hand it to anybody. They're not gonna go through a wall like a 175. Satisfying, isn't it, guys? Customer already peeked in and said it looks amazing. So. Looks great, smells great. All right, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and rake it out. That helps to stand up the fibers. That way it even dries even quicker. So VLM, you know, dries within 1 or 2 hours. So, all right, guys, heading out of here. So this carpet came out great. Customer was really happy. And as far as VLM, guys, there's a lot of tribalism out there. Hot water shafts and VLM. Trust me, I grew up doing both methods, okay? VLM is just fine if you do it right. Okay, it works. You get results like you would get hot water extraction. I know people go back and forth over that with you about that, but whatever. Most of the time, customers don't care as long as they turn out looking great, and that's what this guy said, you know. So I've actually re-cleaned all. When I first started doing VLM, I was questioning myself. I cleaned up one job in particular. I cleaned the whole place, and I just wasn't happy. This is before I knew it. too much about watching out for worn fiber and stuff like that. And I re-cleaned the whole house hot water extraction, and guess what? It didn't look any better. Learn off my mistakes, guys. We'll see you in the next one.